This is our e-learning plan for the upcoming week, April 20th. Some reminders. We would like all of these e-learning activities to be complete by 3 o'clock on Friday the 24th. That's when I will be checking and inputting grades into Infinite Campus. If your schedule dictates that you need to complete these things beyond Friday, then you need to email me letting me know what has been completed, and I will verify and update the gradebook accordingly. If you look at the grading and assignments link docked here or the quick video, it will explain the procedure on if it is not done when I check for it to be done at the end of the week, that you will receive an I for incomplete, but all of those incompletes can be addressed as we move forward in our e-learning. Going through this week's plan, we will be talking about the same things we did last week. However, our solving trig equations for this week will involve solving with an argument that's f of x. So not just a plain x like last week, but something like 3x or 2x or 1/2 of x or 2/3 of an x. And then in addition, we're going to add a phase shift. So our argument could look something like sine of 2x minus pi over 6. And there's some techniques that we need to use to solve those transformed trig equations. By the end of this week's learning activities, you should be able to solve trig equations with an argument of f of x using algebra. Do this across a defined interval across all real numbers. Recognize when you condense solutions, and still keeping in mind that we can use our factoring or quadratic formula when we have the quadratic form. And we need to do this because we are amping it up with these periodic equations and solving those that are not simple anymore, but that are the transformed trig equations, periodic equations that we looked at a bunch of weeks ago with graphing. I think we're all going to get better at this e-learning as we move forward and close out the year strong with e-learning. Again, I urge you to stay on top of learning, continue to work with me, meet with me during office hours. Again, in our e-learning document, there's a quick video on how you sign up for office hours so that we resolve any issues. You continue your learning, you keep or increase your grade, and the bottom line is you're ready to move forward at the beginning of the school year next year. Missing all of you very much, but looking forward to continuing to engage with you through our e-learning. Stay safe and healthy.